Let us solve for the value of k in this equation. Okay, so we have k raised to the power 32 equals to raised to the power of k. So the first thing I want to do is to eliminate 32 from k and eliminate k from 2. To achieve that, I will multiply 32 and k with 1 over 32k. That is k raised to the power 32 times 1 over 32k equals 2 raised to the power of k times 1 over 32k. Now at this point, 32 will cancel out 32. We now have 1 over k as the power of k. So this is k raised to the power of 1 over k equals, k is cancelled out from here. Then I'll have 2 raised to the power of 1 over 32. Now at this point, you see that the base of the left-hand side is equal to the denominator of its power. Let us make this base to be equal to the denominator of its power also. If we are able to achieve that, then we can now get the value of k. So the next thing I want to do is to say 2 raised to the power 1 over 32 times 2 over 2. When you multiply a fraction by 2 over 2, you still obtain that fraction. So 1 times 2 will give us 2. 32 times 2 will give us 64. Now factor out these 2 to be the power of these 2. So you have 2 raised to the power of 2 times 1 over 64. Of course, 2 can multiply 1 over 64 to still give you 2 over 64. Now raise these 2 to the power of 2. That will be 4. So we have 1 over 64 as the power. We have not achieved it. So let's take the process again. We keep going that process until we achieve the same base and denominator. So this is 4 raised to the power of 1 over 64 times 2 over 2. 1 times 2 gives us 2. 64 times 2 will give us 128. So we have 4 raised to the power of 2 over 128. Factoring out this power of 2 again, I will have 4 raised to the power of 2 times 1 over 128. 4 raised to the power of 2 will give us 16 to the power of 1 over 128. Let's repeat the process until this base becomes equal with this. So multiply again. 16 raised to the power 1 over 28 times 2 over 2. 1 times 1 is 2. 1 times 2. Then 2 times 128 will give us 256. Factor out these 2 again. So we have 16 raised to the power of 2 times 1 over 256. All right. 16 raised to the power of 2 will give you 256 raised to the power 1 over 256. So having achieved the same base and the same denominator of the power, let's bring down this and equate. So we have k raised to the power 1 over k equals 256 raised to the power 1 over 256. So at this point, you see that the powers are equal. I will show you that the powers are equal. So if the powers are equal, it means that the bases are also equal. So from the basis, we can conclude that k is equal to 256. But if that is not enough for you to believe, let us also use the power. I have 1 over k equals 1 over 256. At this point, I'll take the reciprocal of the both sides. That is k over 1 equals 256 over 1. And any number over 1 is the same thing as that number. So k over 1 is k. 256 over 1 is 256. And that is the solution. Thank you so much for watching. Please do well to like this video, share to your friends, and subscribe for more interesting math tutorials. See you in my next upload. Bye-bye.